At its Halle site, KSB develops and manufactures powerful pumps with a focus on water and wastewater transport. As evidence of the high quality of a pump ordered and its contractually defined specifications, a hydraulic performance test is carried out. The test setup and procedure will be explained using the example of an omega pump. First of all, the pump is installed on the test stand. The suction nozzle and discharge nozzle are in line. The test setup comprises the pump with its suction line and discharge line and a pressure transmitter each, the measurement lines on the suction and discharge side, magnetic inductive flow meters, and the throttle valves. The test procedure outputs a pump characteristic curve illustrating the head H as a function of the flow rate Q. The flow rate is measured using magnetic inductive flow meters. The head is calculated by measuring the pressure with the pressure transmitters and applying the Bernoulli equation. These values are used to compute a characteristic curve based on 7 measurement points. For this purpose, the flow rate is adjusted. To do so, the throttle valves are opened in 7 stages. To start with, the flow rate Q equals 0 with the throttle valve closed. The valve is then gradually opened and the measured values are recorded. These values are verified against the contractually defined specifications. This serves to check whether the pump meets its guaranteed requirements. Decisive for the test procedure is the guaranteed point, the intersection between the contractually specified guaranteed head and the guaranteed flow rate. The pump test can be witnessed remotely or directly on site at KSB. The pump has passed the test when the flow rate and/or head are within the defined tolerances. A positive test result confirms that the pump is of high quality and meets our customers' specific requirements.